Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. As we can see in Nifty chart, we had a gap up of around 85 points. 85 points of gap up which was happened. After that, so what the sellers or the put buyers will be thinking and they will be trading, right? They will be holding their stop losses or they will be holding till the market comes here. So when the market is in downtrend, most of the people they will be holding their stop losses around this level, because from this level the market fell so much. So when the market opens exactly at the stop losses level, this kind of movement that what we can expect. Even it breaks previous day high also with the strong bullish candle. So after that we saw a complete bullish movement. So generally in stock market or any of the indices, if the market moves like this, so most of the times either it will correct either 50% or it will fall back again. So exactly the same way it made a complete sideways movement. After that complete sell off came and even it covered the gap which was pending today in the morning. So when we come to tomorrow levels, if the market opens flat and breaks today's low, we can expect further downside in Nifty. Or if it opens flat or makes gap up tomorrow and it breaks today's all-time high, which is around 19,560 level. So what is all-time high means? So the price which has the movement happened with the highest price, in which means that this is the highest price in which that particular index has reached. So tomorrow if it breaks this high level by gap up with the price action, we can expect further up move in Nifty. So now we see Bank Nifty. As we can see in Bank Nifty also, it made a gap up. After that, in the previous day, where the sell off or the breakdown candle which was happened exactly on the same levels or the sell off came, which took the resistance at level 45,050, took the resistance and made a bearish trend or it fell. So it covered the gap today which in the morning which was made. So if we come to tomorrow levels, if the market opens flat and breaks today's low, we can expect further downside in Bank Nifty. Or if it opens flat or gap up happens and it breaks the important resistance level at present, we can expect further up move by doing price action in Bank Nifty. So now we will check with the Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty also made a gap up today. So after that complete bullish trend was there. So even Fin Nifty also, the previous range bound breakdown happened, means where the sell off came exactly that level, which is around 20,150 level, which took the resistance. After that it made complete downside move. So for tomorrow, if it opens flat and breaks today's low, it can cover the gap which was previously pending and it can move further downside also by doing the price action. Or else if it opens flat or made a gap up and if it breaks the resistance level which is around 20,500, by doing the price action movement, we can expect further up move in Fin Nifty. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in next post market analysis. Thank you.